The key is which of the following could be true. So can I choose numbers for these Roman numeral 1, 2, and 3 and still satisfy this? This must be true. All right, so let's try out clue 1, Roman numeral 1. Let me look at this problem again. Yeah. All right, so in Roman numeral 1, we know x is greater than y is greater than z. And I'm just going to say 1,000 for x is greater than 10 is greater than 1. Now, does that satisfy x is greater than y squared greater than z the fourth? So x is 1,000. It's 1,000 is greater than 100 is greater than 1 to the fourth, which is 1. So that's true. So Roman numeral 1 could work. Ooh, that's weird. What happened? Huh. Oh, well, we'll go with it. Oh, it's in camera view. I don't want that. Guess I'm stuck with it. All right. 2 says z is greater than y is greater than x. All right, I'm going to let z be 1/3. And 1/3 is greater than 1/4 is greater than 1/5. Make sure you leave the numerators as 1, and you know as the denominator gets larger, the fraction gets smaller. All right, let's see if it satisfies x greater than x is 1/5. 1/5 greater than y squared 1/16 greater than z the fourth, and z is 1/3, so it would be 1/81. So it's satisfied. Now let's look at Roman numeral 3. Roman numeral 3 says x is greater than z is greater than y. So I'm going to choose x is 10, and then this is 1/3. 10 is greater than 1/3, and 1/3 is greater than 1/4. All right, does it satisfy? X is 10. 10 is greater than 1/3 squared, which is 1/9, greater than y. Is that right? No, z the fourth. Z the fourth would be 1/81. So it could be 1, 2, or 3. So your answer's E.